Solve for x in the following equation. So we got to expand this thing here. I'm going to get rid of that fraction right away. So I'm going to multiply the whole equation by the bottom, like we always do. This time the bottom has x into it, and it has multiple terms. So I have to multiply by that exact thing in brackets, just like that. Okay? So when I multiply into this, how many terms are inside this bracket? There's only one. This is this big term. So we'll multiply into here. It's going to cancel the bottom here. This guy, when I expand this guy, well, it's going to actually expand kind of the other way, right? It's the 4 is going to go into this one. And I can expand that right now. So it's going to be, I was just thinking maybe I should expand the alpha as well, but we will wait till next round to do that. Okay? Now let's expand the alpha into every single term here, because I need to. If there wasn't an x in here, I wouldn't have to, but there is an x in here, I need to get them out. So alpha b minus alpha cx plus d equals 4x minus 4. All right. Okay, bring everything with x's on the one side and everything else onto the other side. And also, because I have negative x's here, this is kind of a trick here. I'm gonna put all my positive x's on this side, and I'll flip the whole equation. So I'm gonna be left with 4x plus alpha cx equals, now remember I'm working on this side of the equation, so I'm gonna have alpha b plus d plus 4. Okay, if I brought the x's over here, I'd have minus 4x minus this thing, and then minus d, and then minus alpha minus 4. It'd be all negative. So I'm just multiplying by -1, or what I just did. I just brought everything, all the x's onto this side of the equation, all my other numbers on this side of the equation, and I just flipped the equation. So there it is right there. We're going to do a reverse bracket operator to take out the x. And now we'll divide by that denominator there. So we're going to get x equals alpha b plus d plus 4 all over 4 plus alpha c. A little more complicated, but the process still the same.